SolidWorks Simulation has also added some convenient capabilities to help finding the best design more efficient even with different materials. In this water tower, we have different wall thicknesses for the various segments of the structure, and we'd like to optimize the weight yet still support the worst wind load condition. Sensors now support a factor of safety, which makes comparing results across multiple materials a snap. In design studies, we can now pick materials to evaluate from the SolidWorks material database. In this case, we're evaluating if a steel or aluminum structure is more efficient for strength and weight. Our goal is to keep the lowest factor of safety greater than 5 for the structure. It takes a couple of minutes to run the study, but in the results we can see the optimal solution is significantly lighter. As expected, the aluminum proved to offer the better strength to weight ratio, and while the stress and deflection has increased, we are still safely above our factor of safety limit. So finding the right material and design for your structural needs is now a whole lot simpler in Simulation 2013.